Today we are going to make a delicious, eye-catching Black Forest cake. Before getting started, check whether you have these ingredients with you. This is our very first step of the cake, beating egg whites until it becomes foamy. When it comes to perfection, keep it aside and we can move on to the next step. For the second step, get a large bowl and beat butter and sugar until they become creamy and pale in color. When butter is nice and creamy, we can add egg yolks one at a time. Now it's time to add vanilla and instant coffee. Thereafter, in a separate bowl, combine flour, cocoa powder and baking powder together. Then we can gradually add these dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. When dry ingredients are well mixed, add fresh milk. Finally, we need to gently fold prepared egg whites with this batter. Transfer this batter into an 8-inch size round baking tray and bake the cake around 35 to 40 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Until cake bakes, we can make the cherry syrup. For that, add chopped cherries, sugar and water into a pan and bring it to boil. When the cherry syrup is ready, pass it through a filter and get rid of all cherry pieces. This syrup should be fully cooled down before adding it to the cake. To speed up the process, you can keep the cherry syrup in the fridge for a few minutes. We need some cherries to the middle layer of the cake. So let's cut some cherries into half and get rid of all the seeds. When the cake is fully cooled down, I am going to cut it horizontally from the middle and make 2 layers. If you like, you can equally divide the cake batter and bake in separate pans. To make the whipping cream frosting, beat cream until it becomes fluffy. If you chill your bowl and the beater, you can save your whipping cream from quickly curdling into butter. When whipping cream becomes a bit fluffy, add icing sugar and beat more until peaks form. Now we are going to assemble this cake. Get one layer and place it on your cake board. Pour your prepared cherry syrup all over this layer. Then spread half of the whipped cream on this layer and place a cherry layer. After that, place the other layer on top of these and spread rest of the whipped cream as the way you want. Then keep the cake in the fridge few minutes until whipped cream sets. Another must-have thing for this cake is chocolate ganache. To make the ganache, you can very easily melt chocolate and cream in a microwave. When the whipped cream is well set, we can spread the chocolate ganache on top of the cake. Make sure your ganache is fully cooled down before adding it to the cake. Finally, you can place more cherries on top and decorate the cake as the way you want. Hope you will soon try this delicious cake. If you like this Black Forest cake, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you soon with another delicious recipe.